Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to convert this logo from 2D to 3D in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll create a new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, and also I'll go to 3 render and make sure that you are on Cinema 4D, not on 3 Classic 3D. Okay, this is very important. Then okay, I'll go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it background. Then hit okay, go to effect, generate, and gradient ramp. Then I'll go to end color and I'll change it to dark blue, something like this. Okay, now I'll go to file and I'll import my logo, drag and drop here, and see this is our logo. Right click, go to layer style, and I'll choose inner glow. Open inner glow and I'll change size to 60. Okay, and I'll change this color to maybe purple or this color. Then see it. This is good for me. Okay, again I'll go to right click, layer style, and I'll choose Bevel and Emboss. Open Bevel and Emboss and I'll change size to 30 and depth I'll change it to 500. Okay, so now I'll go to my composition, After Effects logo, drag and drop up background, press S to decrease it. Okay, and this is our logo. Okay, this is very good. So now I'll go to layer, auto trace, and make sure you are not uncheck apply to new layer. This is very important. Then hit OK. So now we have a mask here around my logo. Then I'll go to layer again and I'll choose shape layer, go to pen tool and add any shape here. So I'll go to After Effects logo, open it, masks, mask 1, and uncheck here, Ctrl C to copy. Then I'll go to shape layer, open shape layer, shape 1, path 1, and go to path and Ctrl V and C. This is our logo. To fix this, all you have to do, go to pick whip and parent pick whip shape layer with After Effects logo and hold shift. It's very important, hold shift and see. Okay, now I'll put shape layer down this logo and see. Okay, press R. Sorry. Here, go here and press R for rotation. Let me change both of them to 3D. Okay. Then press R here for rotation. Go to Y rotation and see. Okay, now I want to fix this. So I'll go to shape layer and selection tool, go to Z position and move it like this and see. So now I'll go to shape layer, open it, go to geometry options, and I'll go to path here. I'll change it to 600 and see. 600 and see. Yeah. So now we have a 3D logo, as we can see. Also, you can add okay, also you can add a light, spotlight, okay, and intensity 150 and press OK. Also, I can change the position like this, also Y position. Uh-uh. And something like this. And let me change it to 200, the intensity. 200. Yeah. And this is our logo. Also, I'll go to add a new adjustment layer, go to effect, stylize, and stylize and glow. Then I'll go to threshold, change it to 80, and increase glow radius. And see. Also, I'll go to effect, color correction, and I'll add a curve, RGB, add a curve, something like this, and see. Okay, this is our logo. So, and also our tutorial. So, if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.